Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the device. Make sure it's charged above 30% and unlocked with your PIN. Once done, you need developer options visible. So open Settings, go to About Phone and tap Build Number 7 times. You'll see a brief message confirming developer options are enabled. This step exposes the toggle you'll change next, and it's required so you can access the OEM unlocking control. Make sure you remain on the same account and device to avoid verification delays. You now open Settings, then System, and tap Developer Options. Scroll to find the OEM unlocking entry. Once you tap it, the device will prompt for your PIN or biometric to confirm. This step is deliberate. The phone requires authentication because changing OEM unlocking affects the bootloader state. Disable the toggle to prevent future bootloader unlocks. This increases device security and may block some advanced customizations. Once the switch flips off, allow a few seconds. You finish by rebooting the device to ensure the change persists. If the OEM unlocking option is grayed out, make sure your SIM is active and factory reset protection isn't blocking changes. Sometimes signing into the original Google account is required. If the toggle won't change or the device behaves oddly, try toggling developer options off and on, then repeat the steps. If problems persist, contact the device manufacturer or carrier for verification assistance, because some models enforce OEM state at a hardware level.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.